Hi everyone, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast Gold today. If you are new for this video, just let me take your attention to the fact that we do have a full free membership. It's in fact a Telegram room with a full free access. At times we post updates about the market, which is highly benefitable for our subscribers. Moving on to the gold performance of the last week, gold printed a closing price on the last trading session of Friday around $1,925 per ounce. Numbers around it, and market is closed. And on the last trading session, or on the last week, sorry, the low was 1890 and the high was 1958. Gold is trading in a bull trend, and it's trading at the moment above its all daily simple moving averages except the 20 days daily simple moving average. The RSI readings are little, let's say, moderate on all the charts actually. And if there is a hint, I think the market is going to continue to sell off until it reach an oversold on the daily chart. Support levels, it's 1910 if broken, 1890, and then 1877. And the resistance levels 1943, 1962, and 1980. The pivot on the weekly chart 1925 and 1927 in the last trading session. Those will act as support and resistance. That's all for numbers. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming week, and from the United States, the markets are waiting for the factory orders on Monday, and the PMIs, service and manufacturing, on Tuesday, and the FOMC meeting minutes on Wednesday, and some other important economic headers. That's all. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast. If you're new for this video, just let me guide you how this section of the video works. We are going to start with a quick recap, then we will examine the US dollar chart and the gold chart, and we'll arrive at the most suitable trading idea or ideas for the upcoming week. For the last video, we have actually, we said that there's weakness, but we're not actually willing to take advantage of that weakness to sell. We were expecting the market to hold above 1963 and to continue to upside, but did not happen. Now, starting with the US dollar chart, as I've been saying, like maybe for a year or less, little less, the US dollar is engaged in a bull trend, and it's going to keep into this up move up to 100 to 103. That area could cause a resistance and could end the rally for the US dollar. And for the moment, expect in the coming week that the US dollar will be moving to the upside with a minimum target of 100 in terms of the DXY, which I do believe it's going to affect everything that is priced against the US dollar, euro, British pound, and in fact gold and silver. Now for the gold chart, now away from the fundamentals, gold, as you see the chart, it's very clear. You have this great head and shoulder pattern, and you have a new head and shoulder that is been evolving, okay, on the left shoulder of the massive head and shoulder, as you see. And now expect the market to move to the upside on the by the start of the week to retest the top of the channel about 1940, little more or little less, and then I think this market is going to fall to retest the breakout level at 1877 or maybe a little lower. From there, it's a good entry for a buy with a minimum of 2000. This is, let's say, technically speaking, unless any other fundamentals interfere. But what I see on the charts, that there is a high possibility for a breakdown to retest 1877, which hasn't been retested for some time, and then maybe a continuation up to 1860, 40 or 20, and then a buy up to 2000. That's what I see on the charts, and that's our video for this week. Don't forget about our free Telegram room. You will find the link in the description of this video, and please share, like, and subscribe. And I will hopefully see you in another video in the coming week.